When I looked at the conference roster, I was very excited about the very broad learning that I could do and the networking opportunities that are available here. And already, I've networked with people, we have scheduled meetings. It's been so refreshing to come to a place where it's all poultry all the time, and it's everything that's important to us and things that we need to be thinking about.
I think it's super important in my role as the Vice President of Research for U.S. Poultry and Egg Association. I need to know what's out there, what's needed in the industry, and the only way I'm going to be able to do that is to come to these type events, talk to the people, producers, researchers, scientists, startup groups, everyone. So this is super important for me.
In a virtual conference, you don't get that interpersonal interaction that's really, really important as you're trying to develop relationships in the industry. And so for me, that is one of the critical factors in attending in person.
I think attending to this Tech Summit is really important since you can see the whole state of the art related to technology. That way we can interact and increase this huge poultry tech movement that is going around here.
I get exposed to and the ability to discuss with the presenters of new technology. I cannot always use that technology today, but I've found that I can use bits and portions of it to make money fairly quickly for my company.
You get to see many of the people with the like-minded interest in innovation, the same problems everybody is sharing. What are the challenges that basically everybody is dealing with on an everyday basis in a different way. And you learn a lot about how everybody is coming across those challenges and how everybody is focused on solving them.
It's important to attend live industry events and conferences to really gain knowledge of what's happening right now in the industry, getting updates on all the new technologies, for example. This one specifically, all the new tech that's out there, it's very interesting and broaden your knowledge and get ideas for the team for potentially trials you could join in or new products and services that are out there. So yeah, just broadening your horizons.
The technologies are, like any other industry in poultry production and processing, are moving very quickly. We have a tremendous amount of data. How do we make it more usable and then be able to power the new technologies that are continuing to come in to the industry and help build more efficiencies?
For us, being a food and further processing equipment supplier, we see that there's such a strong need for automation, and we hear a lot about the AI coming into it. So that's all in our playing field. So it's very interesting to see what's on the horizon.
I want to say that being at the Poultry Summit is like being on trend, but it's being on trend with the poultry industry and IT and everything that's happening. Everything's happening so quick, so everybody's got to keep up. That's why you have to be here.